Hello students, welcome to GMAT Academy. I'm Victor, and today we'll be treating a standard form question of SSCE done in November 1990. So quickly, let's jump right into the question. The question says, simplify 0.016 multiplied by 0.084 over 0.48. In questions like this, you are not expected to use a calculator to get your answer immediately. You're expected to work your way down to the answer because your workings are actually the important part. So let's go right into the solution. So we have 0.016 multiplied by 0.084 all over 0.48. And first thing to do is to express them into standard form like expressions. So we have 16 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 1, 2, 3 minus 3 multiplied by 84 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of minus 3. The same method as the first, all over 48 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of minus 2. We express these numbers into whole numbers because we are supposed to be working without the use of a calculator. So this is our first step. Our next step, we collect like terms. So we have here 16 multiplied by 84 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of minus 3 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of minus 3 all over 48 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of minus 2. So for our next step, we'll work with our law of indices. Step 3, we have 16 multiplied by 84 to give us 1344 multiplied by 10. So here is where you remember your law of indices, your product law, where this becomes 10 raised to the power of minus 3 plus minus 3. So this all over 48 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of minus 2. So for our next step, we separate like terms. We have 1344 over 48 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of minus 3. So we had plus minus 3, so this becomes minus 3 all over 10 raised to the power of minus 2. This will give us 28 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of minus 6 all over 10 raised to the power of minus 2. So we'll move on to our next step. So we have 28 multiplied by 10, call from indices to give us minus 6 minus 2. This will give us 28 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of minus 6 plus 2. Then we have 28 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 4. Now note that this is not yet in its standard form, as this number here is not less than 10. So to make this less than 10, we move our decimal point onto the first non-zero digit, and this gives us 2.8 times 10 raised to the power positive 1 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of minus 4. We move on. So this will give us 2.8 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 4 plus 1. Finally give us 2.8 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 3. So this is our final answer. So my hope is that you've understood every step we took here. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.